Out here, we are reading the hand of a 24-year-old person. He had 2 or 3 questions. One of the questions is that he finds that there's an island-like formation that has formed on his lifeline. This is the first question. The second question is regarding job offer. He is into the technical field and he's getting an offer from the managerial side of business. And the third is that he wants to invest in stock market, and he said that he's gaining in stock market. So let's basically start the video. But before I start, I would request you to press the bell icon on YouTube and don't miss another update. To get a reading, you can call me or you can email me. The email and the phone number are mentioned out here. And now we straight away go to this particular hand image for the reading. His first question regarding the island that we see. There are not one but 2 islands that we see out here. This is one of the island, this is the second island, and the other island that he's referring to is this particular island-like formation. See, island-like formation on the lifeline. This is the lifeline, so just under the intersection, like out here, the age could be approximately 18, then 25, then 30, 35, 40, 45. This is the approximate age when these islands are coming up. Island in any way is not basically a good sign to have. Island-like indication on the lifeline indicates health related issues. So this is the thing that the person needs to take care about. It's not that the health can be seen only on the lifeline. It can also be seen on the other lines as well. We try to understand, even if our lifeline is disturbed, it doesn't matter much. But provided our mind line, this is our mind line, because this is the mental strength. So our mental strength basically can bring us out of the problems if we have got a strong mental strength. But out here, the headline is also a little bit not so clear. And the third thing is that islands on the heart line. On the heart line basically means emotional kind of issues, but it need not be only emotional, it could be otherwise as well, relationship issues or any other issues. So elongated periods of emotional issues. So he has to guard himself from all these things. And because this is the heart line, so heart line tells about the physical condition of the heart. So a deep and clear singular kind of a heartline is generally considered to be better than a person who's having these unclear kind of a heartline. I would suggest this particular person to kind of try and improve upon his heart condition, like good food. He should take the food at the right time, sleep early, get up early. These are the things that is going to make his health better. Not just make his health better, because it is said health is wealth. So he needs to concentrate on his health in order to attain better wealth in his life. So island-like formation is not generally considered to be good, but because the person also has got a supporting kind of a lifeline. This is the lifeline and the line that is running from inside. This particular line that we are referring to, this is the Mars line. This is also called the guardian angel line. I will just take you to another hand image. He's basically a lefty, so we are concentrating on the left, but we would also try to look at the right hand as well. So this is the hand we would basically take up. And in this particular hand, you would again notice the same thing. The lifeline is comparatively better without any island, so it is a good sign. Then supporting kind of lines is basically the line of protection, and the person is getting protected in life, and this is kind of a armor around the particular person. And try to understand what Mars is. Mars is a red planet. Red means anger, aggression and fire. So this is what it is. And having too many lines over out here means that the person might get angry over wrong issues. So anger needs to be controlled. An island on the headline again out here means stomach related issues. So stomach needs extra care, super care. The person needs to be super careful regarding his basically health and his stomach. The other aspect I need to basically tell this particular person is that money line, this is basically the money and this is the sun line. He has got a fairly good money line, sun line, and the technical expertise line. These are excellent lines the person might have. The person would also will get success. But what happens is, in the earlier period, this is age 24 plus, he's age 24 plus. So at this particular age, every person, good health or bad health, they have got immense amount of energy levels. So we don't calculate the energy levels when the person is 24, around the age of 24. It is when the person crosses 35, 45, 55. This is when basically these indications that I've mentioned, these things take a toll. So the person needs to give more priority to the health. They should do yoga, meditation. These things are suggested. Purely the person, it is suggested. The second question was regarding job offer as a managerial post, and he's into the technical side. The technical side of any hand is the Mercury area. This is the Mercury area. Mercury is basically knowledge, and perpendicular independent lines are perfect lines. These are very good lines for a person being in a technical field. It's not just the technical field, because I have already mentioned that I think I have mentioned to him that even Warren Buffett has these perpendicular lines over the mount of Mercury. So the calculations are extremely good. Now these calculations can be in any area. The his statistical analysis could be extremely good. So these things are extremely good for business. These things are very good for technical expertise, and even when a person is a manager, even these things would be required. Mercury is for calculations and communication. These two things are the main thing of Mercury. So having good Mercury would provide him with all these good qualities. But as far as his even in his left hand, his active hand, the same indications can be seen. So it doesn't matter if I'm taking a look at the left hand or the right hand, it doesn't matter much. The indications are comparatively same. Many things are same. In both the hands, the heart line is reaching the mount of Jupiter. Jupiter is basically for idealism and sensitivity, and this is basically not for money matters. Jupiter is never considered for money. And even in the left hand, you would find the same kind of indications. The heart line is coming and reaching the mount of Jupiter. Jupiter is for idealism and sensitivity. So the person gives more value to emotions and not necessarily money. This question, whenever I say such a thing, the person is likely to disagree with me, because what happens is that this is what the person was born with. But as the person has progressed in his life, what the society is commanding from him, he is basically changing into that particular personality. So the society governs us. The society has got a very large effect on our personality. So his basic nature is not towards money. It's more towards the idealism and a sensitivity, that particular part. To be a very good money manager comes from, if the heart line ends on the mount of Saturn, this is the area that it should end on. Basically, Saturn basically indicates money management, wisdom, being grounded, knowing the ground situations very well. So these are the qualities of Saturn, and they try to keep money for the rainy day. They like kind of conserve money. So that is basically considered to be a much better sign for money matters compared to the line that kind of ends on the mount of Jupiter. It's not everywhere that people who have their heart line ending on the mount of Jupiter, they would not be rich. I would give you two big examples of those persons who are extremely rich in spite of their heart line reaching the mount of Jupiter. They are Baba Ramdev and that one Google founder. His name is sorry, I've understood. It's not Larry Page. It's not. I just forgot his name. So there are two of these people who have their heart line reaching the Jupiter. They basically still they have money. So actually these people do not angle towards money. You would notice that even Baba Ramdev, he's not angling towards money. He's more of a genuine kind of a person. So such people are generally genuine, and these people, such a person might lose opportunity to make money. Where the opportunity arises, they might become more emotional, and they might give a free reading or free analysis, or they might give their free services to people. So my suggestion would be that these people should value money more. They should value money more. That's when more money is going to come to them. They have to pray for money. You have to basically pray for money. Only then more money is going to come to you. So this was the second thing that I answered. I would say that even in this particular hand, the Mercury is excellent. These are perpendicular lines over it. Normally the book says if a person has got these perpendicular lines over the amount of Mercury, they could be a doctor. But I have got a different take. Having these perpendicular lines means these many number or set of skills the person may have. The person has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 lines on the amount of Mercury. And even these lines are reasonably strong lines, because you need to have strong kind of lines, reasonably strong kind of. The weaker kind of lines we can basically ignore, but even that is one set of skills. And strong lines basically means the person is sharpening their skills. The third question was regarding his investment. Now basically investment comes from this particular area, because the person who is good at analysis would be able to analyze the future trends of the life, or future trends in the stock market or other things. So in that aspect he's extremely good. But I basically would suggest him that instead of investing his own money, he should kind of give consultancy to invest money. Because the reason is very simple, that when we look at the heart line, see, the heart line is not so clear, deep and clear and singular kind. So a person who is into investment, so what the stock market is going to be doing, it's going to be going up and down, up and down. So what's going to happen is his heart is going to be going up and down, up and down. So this kind of a thing for such a person is generally not suggested, because his heart is going to fluctuate a lot, and there's going to stress is going to develop for him immensely. Huge amounts of stress is going to develop if the stock market kind of swings downward. Right now he says that he's making good money. I would say that his analysis is good. In that way it is good. But even if he has to make investment, I would suggest him, do not do day trading. Do not do day trading. Commit yourself to a long-term plan for investment, and then basically remain committed to it. A heart line that is not deep and clear and singular, these branches, these are a little bit unclear, is not able to commit himself to one thing. There are few horizontal kind of lines also out here. So these lines are basically for the emotions could be of a wide variety, and they could swing from up and down, and the person could be hysterical. Hysterical means uncontrolled emotions. When the person is happy, they are going to be extremely happy. When they are sad, they are going to be extremely sad. So those things are not so good. But the supporting lifeline kind of protects the person from not just bad health. Even this particular line, the person is protected. The heart line and the head line also, the person is protected. So in every way the person is protected. But yet my suggestion would be to remain committed to one field of area, make small gradual investments. That is going to be much more fruitful for this particular person. That's it for this particular reading out here, and hope you like this particular video. I normally repeat one thing on almost all my videos. I'm repeating here as well. People want to know about money, possessions and wealth. We can come to know about money, possessions and wealth from almost any line. The importance of money line in terms of money is just 15%, nothing more. And you can come to know about money from heart line, head line, lifeline, any line. And a saint once said, you do not need to go to an astrologer or palmist to know about your future, because you already know your future. Present is a result of past. How will be my future? Future depends upon what you are doing in the present. What are we? We are product of our thoughts. So the thoughts that come to our mind are really important. My last suggestion would be to keep good company, because good company matters the most. If you have got wrong company and have bad indications on your palm, it's going to basically multiply. And even if you have got bad indications on your palm and you are in the right company, those bad indications will get nullified. So company matters the most. Thank you for watching. Bye and take care.